am Flood. This is Connor. We are Flood and Connor Adventures. We are joined with the Rusty Magnet and the Jen Show. And we're going to throw some magnets today.
And Austin and Brandy.
Oh, Austin and Brandy. And you.
Yeah.
Alright guys, Tina and Flood, or Flood and Connor, excuse me, Flood and Connor got their first find today. It looks like a snow shovel.
I can't reach it yet.
That's fish lures on it. Nice.
What Clay got? What am I missing?
There's
something right there though.
Clay's been working this rod.
That looks like another sound.
Uh-oh.
Oh, there it goes. What in the actual heck is going on here?
They just keep growing there, Clay.
Oh.
How you fitting that in the truck?
Oh my gosh. Gun. Wow, check that out, you guys. She found a little old gun. Let's pull this off and see what it looks like. Looks like a little toy gun. I don't know if I can. Yeah, it looks like a little toy gun.
Alright, there's.
I don't know what it is.
What in the world?
Piping!
Are you gonna grab that? Can you reach it? It's breaking.
Holy God. It's like a part of the sewer coming up here. Water pipe.
Well, it probably is what was attached to this.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Pull this out first.
Check that out. That's old stuff right there. But that ain't the heavy thing. I know that ain't.
Tina just keeps reeling it in.
Hey, there's a hook. Oh, that. Gee, that one's even longer. That seems like they're progressively getting longer. So that's a heck of a workout.
That is a heck of a workout. What do you got here, Austin?
A rope.
Rope?
Yep.
Some rebar?
I heard. Nope. Wait.
Piece of pipe.
Okay, close with it.
Brandy's got a pipe.
Oh yeah,
Let's see.
Jeff and his more nails and nails.
if you guys can guess the number that Flood from Connor and Flood Adventures actually counted all these nails out, we will throw you guys a sticker, but you gotta comment the right number. It is between 1 and 70. So if you guys can guess the number, comment down below in the comments.
You done?
No. Are you done?
I'll let you know when I pick one.
And Jeff and his more nails.
So I don't know. Might not be able to throw because look at the rocks here. On the side.
On the
They're on the side. But look, in the middle, I can't see down there. Can't see if there's rocks down there. So do we go here or not?
Let's go.
Sure?
Or she
Because
might
I
have
don't
you
know what
drive.
those docks look like. Because no one made it over there.
We got distracted.
By the water?
Yeah, 'cause it's clear.
Holy son of a shit.